Hello, 585ers. This will be a very quick video as we do not have class this Monday, October 5th. People have asked that they be allowed to come to class if they need to get ahead or if they are not going to be there for October 12th. I have agreed to that, no problem. Let me quickly show you where we're going to start. This is the end of the sit and get, Steve droning on and on. We are going to be full bore into building things. First thing we're going to look at is creating a web presence. If you already have a web presence, you may use it. I will start with creating a wiki. We will be using something called a Wikispaces. If you've never done it, just look at these. We will do it in class. But if you want to get ahead of things, it's right here. Everything you need to know to set up your Wikispaces. Secondly, in the Wikispace, when we get it set up, what we're going to be looking at is in the Wikispace, we're going to create a representation of ourself. You have two choices here. You can build a Voki or you can peanutize yourself. The peanutize yourself is a two-step process. You're going to build the peanut character that looks like you, and then you're going to add a voice to your peanut character using something called Blabberize, one of my favorites. We're going to put that into our wiki. Again, if you're using your own web space, not hard to do. Using our newfound skill of using embed codes. You will be asked to make a word cloud about what you teach, what you'll be trying to do with that. And as you can see here, I have two of these to work from. One is called Tagxedo. Tagxedo allows you to create a word cloud that actually has a shape to it. That's kind of cool. If that's a little intimidating to you, and frankly it is, it's not the most intuitive website, here are the directions. Word cloud from ABC is about as stupidly simple as it gets, and then here are its directions right there. I'll go back and review what we're doing with all this, so don't panic. This is a video that you're going to be asked to watch. It's called How to Change Education from the Ground Up. And let me turn it on because we're not, the page is being blocked. There we go. This is our good old friend Ken Robinson, How to Change Education. And we're going to start building a YouTube channel. So here is all of this information right here. The thing about YouTube that we have to be very careful about is Google has this bad habit of changing how YouTube works. And I am in the process of making sure that all this is current. So I think we're going to be okay. The thing with YouTube channels is we want to be very careful with them, build them so that they represent what you're trying to do, and don't get you in trouble. That's bottom line of that. So let's go over what we're going to be working on, and we will be working on this for a while. So don't panic that you got to get it all done on October 12th or October 5th. We will work on this because this is a foundation. This is how we start making that virtual classroom, making that ubiquitous classroom for our kids to see your teaching in a different venue on their time in their places, and it gives you a wonderful opportunity for differentiated instruction. Let's look at what we've got here. I've got a long explanation about wikis. Take a look at it, read it. It's kind of interesting. I know a lot of you may have already a web presence, and that's fine, but read about wikis and see if there's anything here that might change your mind about using it. We're going to create a virtual classroom through the use of a personal wiki that becomes your exploration of the issues surrounding the use of technology integrated into education. To begin your virtual classroom, we're going to create a Voki or a Peanutize. that speaks to your overall educational philosophy, an introduction, if you will, to whoever comes to that site about what you're doing. The word cloud is essentially a way for you to show off what you are all about in the standards that you teach. They're really, really easy to build. It's not hard to do. Create a YouTube channel, give it a unique name, and set up boundaries. Now, the YouTube channel, think of it as a media closet. It's where you're going to put all the stuff that we're going to be making. Don't think of it as the one-stop shop, although it could be. And that's something you're going to have to decide. And that's why we're going to invite in Jessica Mulder, who has a YouTube channel that she does use as a one-stop shop for her students. So we'll let her talk to us about it. Then in your wiki, you're going to watch the Robinson video. So this is going to go in your wiki or that web page that you have. Embed the video into a new page so you know how to do it. Reflect on his ideas about creative work and your beginning understandings of the virtual classroom and its connection to creativity. Each reflection should be at least 2 paragraphs, at least 3 sentences. I don't think that's a whole lot of work to do. The assignment right now says place your wiki page link into your live text. That means the top page, the front page, the home page. I can't think of another way of describing it. It's that page where you would start if I were looking at your wiki, your web page, your eChalk presence, any of those that you have created are going to be allowed. Alrighty, I will see a few of you on Monday, October 5th. The rest of you I will see on the 12th. Have a wonderful 2 days off from U of L. Oh, you have 2 days off coming? Well, they're not really days off, are they? Well, I hope you've had a wonderful day today, and I hope you get down to the St. James Art Fair. See you.